Today we're cooking a 2 kilo rump cap on the Flaming Coals Parrilla Grill with some roasted garlic veggies on the side. We're going to start by scoring the fat in a cross-hatch pattern and then season with a little salt. Then we're going to season with my favourite beef rub, the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso. It's got a great peppery flavour with ground coffee as its secret weapon. While you can't taste the coffee, it'll give us an amazing bark packed full of flavour. While we're waiting for our meat to come up to temperature, we're going to go get the fire started. For a video showing you how to light a fire in the Parrilla, click on the link in the description below. We're going to start with the rump cap fat side down. Now you should also be able to hold your hand over the fire for 8 seconds. And if you can't, your grill's too hot and you need to raise it further away from the fire. Our rump cap has been cooking fat side down for about an hour. We're going to check the internal temperature to see whether it's ready to flip over. Now we're looking for an internal temperature of about 40 degrees Celsius. That's sitting at 41, 39, and 41. I think it's time to flip it over. Our rump cap has been resting for 20 minutes, so the only thing left to do is to slice it up and see how he went. That is delicious. I definitely recommend trying rump cap at home. Thank you so much for watching. For the full details and the recipe, click on the link in the description below. If you'd like to see more of our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.